Clients love updates. They want answers yesterday and updates right away. And they hate one thing: waiting. So instead of sending 100 emails a week, you can give them something better, a dashboard. Because nothing says we've got it handled quite like a live dashboard that does the talking for you. In this video, I will give you 5 steps to create a client dashboard that keeps clients informed, builds trust, and save your team hours weekly. Let's get into it. Start by figuring out what your clients' needs are. Do they just want quick project updates or visibility into timelines and documents without asking for them every time? So you need to actually talk to your clients, listen to what actually bugs them, and once you're clear on that, drop everything into ClickUp Docs. With nested pages and real-time editing, you can turn a messy pile of notes into one clean, organized, shareable plan. Tag your team, assign next steps, and turn client feedback into actual tasks all in one place. And when everything's neatly stored in one place inside the Docs Hub, you'll always have a searchable, verified record of objectives, decisions, and insights. Start with clarity. It'll save you from creating a dashboard that looks impressive but doesn't actually help anyone. Next up, figure out what success actually looks like for your clients. If you're building websites, maybe it's page load speed or conversion rates. If you're managing campaigns, it could be traffic leads or ROI. Whatever it is, the key is to track what matters to them, not just what looks good on a dashboard. Use ClickUp Tasks and custom fields to turn these ambitions into clear, trackable targets. Numbers, dollar values, competition, completions, even simple yes or no outcomes. Then pull it all together with ClickUp's no-code dashboards. In a few clicks, you'll turn all those metrics into clean visual cards, charts, progress bars, and lists your clients can actually understand at a glance. Because when clients can see the progress for themselves, you don't need to sell it. This brings us to step 3, designing the layout. Here's the thing, not everyone processes data the same way. 31% of managers prefer visual boards, while others swear by Gantt charts, dashboards, or resource views. That's why flexibility is everything. With ClickUp Dashboards, you can customize reports to track what matters for your clients. Add cards that show different charts, figure calculations, and custom widgets to get answers at a glance. Keep high priority data upfront, group-related info, and color code what matters most. Then add the braids behind it. AI cards inside dashboards instantly summarize updates, flag trends, and surface key insights so your clients don't need to do any manual digging whatsoever. In ClickUp Brain, your smart assistant takes it a step further, answering questions and pulling context from across your workspace in seconds. The result? A dashboard that's not just organized, but also as intelligent as you need it to be. All right, for step 4, let's plug everything in. Your dashboard isn't complete until it reflects everything your client cares about, from project milestones to payments and campaign results. That's where ClickUp CRM comes in. With ClickUp CRM, you can centralize client details, track milestones, and even pull in data from connected tools like Asana, Jira, or Slack. No tab switching, no "where's that update" messages. It's the kind of connected view that saves you from endless back and forth and gives your clients everything they need instantly. Last, but never optional, you've got to prioritize security. Remember the Snowflake data breach of 2024 that affected big wigs like Ticketmaster, AT&T, and Santander Bank? A compromised employee account led to these companies paying up to $5 million in ransom to prevent sensitive data leaks. One weak system caused a massive fallout. That's why features like multi-factor authentication, role-based access control, and data encryption are non-negotiable for your client dashboards. In ClickUp, you can invite clients as guests, organize and secure folders and lists, and set granular permissions so everyone sees only what they should. On top of this, you need to keep your rules updated, keep access tight, and make security part of your pitch, because trust isn't optional either. It seems like a lot, doesn't it? But don't worry, you don't have to start from scratch. ClickUp already has a template that makes building client dashboards ridiculously easy. Start with the client success template. It gives you a view into each client's journey from onboarding to renewal. For smoother handoffs between sales and delivery, the client success collaboration template keeps both teams in lockstep. And the quick start client services template is your all-in-one toolkit for managing projects, requests, and resources. Fast, simple, and beginner-proof. And that's it. 5 steps, 1 client dashboard, 0 mishaps. Build it once, let it run, and enjoy the sweet sound of fewer just checking in emails. If you're ready to give your clients a clear view of the impact you're creating, go build your dashboard now for free at clickup.com.